Oh, baby. What is up, YouTube? My glasses done fogged up as soon as I walked outside. Get back in there. But let me go cut this generator off real quick. We are loading up because we are headed to the P.O. box. See if anybody sent us anything and to check on some mail to make sure, because I'm pretty sure we got some mail over there. And if you guys want to send us anything, the P.O. box will be down in the link in the description. Today is a rainy day on the Homestead, so I decided let's get some chores done or things done that we need to get done, like go and get the mail, which is like an hour away. So yeah, I dread that ride, but it needs to be done. Can't finish our post, so I'm kind of upset about that, but it is what it is. Another day on the Homestead. We're going to get something done today, so stick around. Let's get to this mailbox.
Hey, to whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worrying. I get it, the odds can stack back against the wall, but even consider it such, know you'll stand tall. Sat and watch from the sidelines one too many times. Wicked games we play make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need?
Oh man, we made it to Aldi's, but we did get a package in the mail. I think somebody ordered something for us, so let's see what it is. From Jennifer. It's from Jennifer Knox. This is a smart metal chicken animal door. Oh wow, I was literally just thinking about this the other day. I was like, dang, we need to get a chicken door. Wow, I appreciate that. Jennifer Knox, that's crazy. I was just thinking about this. We really do need to. Man, y'all are amazing, man. Y'all people are amazing. I think this might be our project for today, guys. We definitely got to put this on. All right, let's go ahead and get some groceries. Oh man, we have made it back to the house, man. Let's see if we can get this smart metal chicken animal door and tack on this coop. And we're gonna have to make a ladder. The question is, should I put it in the door? I think I'm gonna put it front, like in the middle of the door. That's what I'm gonna do. That sounds like the move. Should I put it in the middle of the door? Or should I put it like off center to the left? So should I put it in the middle of the door? Or should I put it to the left of the door? Or to the right of the door? Ha! I think in the middle. Man, oh man, I really appreciate this, Jennifer. Like, for real. I hope you see this. She got it from off of the Amazon wish list. So, that is awesome. Awesome. Is it a charging piece? Oh, solar. It's solar, y'all. Wow. Came with a solar panel. It's got the bracket for it. Screws and a remote control. Ooh, check it out. Check it out. That's tight. Well, I've changed my mind. I can't go middle because if I go middle, when I build a ladder for the chickens to walk out, it'll be in the walkway. Not unless I made the ladder removable. Nah, I don't even want to have to deal with it. I don't even want to have to deal with it. I'm gonna just do it so the roosting bar is on the left. So I'm gonna put it on the left. I'm gonna put it on the left. Let's go. We're gonna put it on the left. We're gonna put it on the left. Why is everybody following me today? So I noticed they didn't have any water. What the turkey? Oh my God, the turkey escaped, y'all. Come on, bub. Come on. I should have just grabbed him when I had a chance. Come on, dude. Look, I'm running out of treats. Bring your rump on now. Come on. Get back in there. Look. There he go. Look. He's trying to get in. I think he's gonna go all the way around. Look at them investigating the door already. He wants to get back in so bad, but he don't want me to pick him up. Come on. Yeah, like y'all ain't knew it was food in there the whole time. Hey, man. Y'all just be making a mess with the water, especially you. Rubber ducky, you're the one. All right, maybe they'll come. Look at these crazy chickens. All I did was remove the thing, and now they're digging in the wood space that I made. There's barely any food in there, but look at all the food in here. And they over there fighting for scraps. Y'all are crazy. Move! Ain't nothing in there, move! Hey, move, turkey. Y'all crazy. So I have food right there the whole time. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is put that up there and mark it, and then cut it out and screw it in place. That's all I'm gonna do. Probably before I do that, I should see how long the cord is to the solar panel. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go get a solar panel and see how long the cord is to it. Matter of fact, while I'm over here, I'm just gonna put everything I need in this bucket That way I'm not running back and forth. I don't know why. I thought of this the other day when I was going all the way up there to the pigs. I was like, why don't I just put all my tools in a bucket? That way I don't have to go back and forth, back and forth. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Put everything in the bucket. So for this, all I should need is probably the drill, Sawzall, and I got a pencil. What else would I need? I think that might be it. Oh, and I need all the parts. Hope so. Can't forget to tape measure. Tape measure, tape measure. Oh, I'm gonna need drill bits to start the hole. Duh. And drill bits. Oh man, if you two want to contribute to the homestead, we have an Amazon wish list, which is where this came from. Yeah, you can buy or purchase something and it'll send it to our P.O. box. I almost fell. Now it's back to the same question I asked myself a few minutes ago. Should I put it to the left or to the right? To the left or to the right? To the right, there's nothing. To the left, there's a Reeson bar. I'm thinking to the right. I think because if I put the solar on the right, that's where it'll probably catch the most sun at. So that's what I'm thinking. What are you guys doing on the tripod? Oh, look at my chickens with the fro. Where'd he go? Come here, show your fro. Where's the fro guys at? They're all over there. Look, he got a fro. Hey. Hey, man. Look, that's Amber's. That's gotta be Amber's. What, bud? That's gotta be Amber's, because he's trying to fly on me. I don't want to pick you up. He's so submissive. It's a submissive one. She just gotta be touched. She's an attention. She's an attention one. She wants attention. All right, let's get the drilling away. We're over here talking about chickens and stuff. All right, let's measure out this chicken door and see the width and height on it. Guys, does anybody know if that sound is a boy duck sound? Y'all see how loud he is? All right. So, this door is 10 inches and 7/8. So it's 10 inches and 7/8. Why? Because my ruler told me so. See that? See that? See that? Ten inches and 7/8. And the actual opening is like 11 inches. So about 11 inches on the opening. So if I cut out a slot, that's 10 7/8. Actually, I'm gonna need to make it smaller. So if I do it if I cut the hole from here to here, that'll leave me the room right here. So let's measure that part. So the inside of this is about 9.5 So we're gonna go 9.5 wide by what I say, 11.5. I mean by 11. So we're gonna cut a hole that's 9.5 wide by 11 long. So I want to be right here. We'll go 9.5. And then we're gonna go 11 up. 11 up. 11 up. So 9.5 by 11 up. I'll just follow that line, I'll be good. And I'm gonna start it inside the groove, so that way I got an even mark. All right, we got it marked out. Let's get to drilling. I just realized that I cut it on the left-hand side and I wanted to put it on the right-hand side. And then I did stretch it out and see if the solar worked. So it's definitely gonna reach. Dang it. Y'all, I'm just a little bit too excited about this whole door thing. Excuse me, not going in order. But all right, anyways, let's cut this hole out. Hello? Anybody home? No? Alright. Oh, hey guys. Alright. See how I did. Perfect, boys. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. We have us one. All right, let's get these screws put in. Let's get these screws put in. Let's go. Oh, look who showed up. Oh my God, girl, you need to go brush that hair. she done had the helmet on, riding the four-wheeler. You gonna help me with the chicken door?
Yep.
All right, come on. Oh man. So I'm probably just gonna need your help holding the door for me, for now, anyways. Let me find the screws for this thing. I think these are the screws for the door.
So how is it gonna work?
It's self-timer. It opens up by itself.
Hey, y'all!
What is
Why
that?
peck me?
A turkey pecking you. All right, come on. All right, get your door. Get your door, put your door up here. All right. Right there. All right, can you hold it right there?
Uh-huh.
All right. All right, you can let it go.
Whoa, that's not a roosting bar.
That is a roosting bar, don't it?
Yep.
They gave me 2 extra ones? Wonder what's this for?
To your honesties, what do you like? Tell the camera.
Tell them, do you like it? That's Amber's bird. But look at that, guys. Look at that there. Wow. All right, looks like the power part is in here. And then you just cut it on right there. And it has a little bit of battery. So it says current time, reset, and press setting button. Is this in military time?
Let's make it shorter so that we can see.
Ain't no way this is military time. Where Amber at? Oh my gracious. Where's Amber when I need her? I'm not good at military time. Alright.
Do you know what military time is?
Manual open. Oh snap. Alright, so to manually close it, you need to hit the green triangle button. Hit the green one. Ooh, let's go.
So when we're in there and we just want them to go out, it'll open by itself.
Oh yeah, and we got a remote control.
Ivy, she got stuck in the fence.
Get out that fence. Yeah, we got a remote control too.
Where?
It's in the bag. But let's hook up the
Remote control?
No, we gotta hook up the solar. I was just talking to the camera and wasn't recording the whole time. She told me, she was like, it's not recording. Okay, this is crazy. I'm trying to get it. Okay, am I finally gonna get it off? I think so. I think I deleted enough stuff. So I had a lot of stuff on my phone, which is what I record on. So yeah, but what was I saying? I forgot what I was saying.
That you don't know how to do military
Oh,
time.
that's what it was. I'm not good with military time. Amber is, because she's a nurse. I've never, hey, go get her. She needs help. She's trying to break the electric fence down. It's not electric yet. But I've never had to tell military time, so I don't know how, pretty much. So what I did was I went to my settings and I changed my settings to 24-hour clock so we can set this. All right, so it says for current time, press the setting, and then you can move it up. It is 17:10 right now. Yeah, oh my God, I went the wrong way.
Gasolina.
1710. 17 and then 10. Does it do the speed? If you hold the button, it speeds it up. So 1710, okie doke. What time should I let the chickens out? Probably
in the
like
morning, you always let them out in the morning.
probably like 7. Like 7.
Stop it, Macarena.
All right, about 7 o'clock. I think 7 o'clock is fine. And then I want it closing. If it's 17 now, I want it closing at 19.
Well, what are we gonna do with this door right here?
Leave it closed. 19. Should I do 19 or should I do 20? Should I do 19? Let's do 1930 for right now.
You make sure they know how to get in and out.
Hopefully they know how. We'll see, huh?
Yep.
And we're gonna put it in the up position. Oh, that's one of the fro guys.
What's those guys?
He got a fro.
Oh, that's not Madalena.
So I'm gonna leave it up, and then tonight it should close on its own, hopefully. All right, so now let's get this solar panel up so we can get this thing charged. Where is the ladder at? What are you doing? Huh? Oh my gracious. You're not a chicken. You do not belong on the roosting bar. Ava. Huh? What are you doing over here? What? Wipe her hand. Go get a towel and wipe her hands off. Look at you, sweaty. Stay out the chicken coop. I'm about to start calling Ava the menace. Cause she keeps cutting my camera off when I'm recording. Huh? Yeah. All right, so they gave us more than enough room. They gave us way more than enough room. So let's put this up. Alright. Well, we got that up.
Bro, you guys can say a grape?
Now we just gotta put this up.
They're fighting over grapes.
Huh?
They're fighting over grapes.
Well, you gave them grapes.
Yeah.
Seems like today I'm having technical difficulties with the camera. Lala, can you make sure that it don't quit on me? As a matter of fact, go ahead, go play. Go ahead. I'm gonna switch it around. Somebody had asked me in the comments. They said, why you don't make the kids record? I said, cause they want to play. They want to play. Like right now, she want to go ride that 4-wheeler. So let them play, man. Let them be kids. This ain't their job, this is mine, so. But we're having technical difficulties, so we're gonna get it right, All right.
Skeezy on the beat,
All right, so I got a generator one now, but I found a couple of 2x4s, and I'm going to use the siding that I had for the side of the coop, and we're going to make us a little ladder so they can get in and out. So let's go. Well, we are going to put this block on the outside. Let's make sure it doesn't, when the door goes down, it doesn't go all the way through, which I don't think it does.
No, it just pushes
Give me 2 screws. Alright. I think we good, Lila. Watch out.
Come on, Cluck Cluck, you had to let me down.
They should be able to walk up that. Right? I think so.
Alright, so up, down, up, and down, up.
Put him inside.
And down.
Yeah. Look at that. She can walk down it.
I'm trying to put it
trying to make it up. He should be able to make it up. Uh-oh. We might not even got to put him in there.
He's pecking.
What, he pecking the thing?
Yeah, he's pecking the down button.
They all on the ladder waiting.
Waiting for one chicken. Bro, you can't push it down.
He's causing a traffic jam right now.
Get inside!
He's like, I might. It ain't time to go inside yet, brother.
He's trying to put it down.
Now my question is, are they going to get over here and then fly up there to get out? As of right now, until we can get a run. I think it's time to get them a big chicken feeder. Hey man, watch out.
They're mean. Put it in there. Look, John's trying to go inside. Bro, you can't even do it without them sticking their heads in there.
They hungry. Well, how about we close the door and let's see if they go in that way.
That's an automatic door. Aren't they being mean right now? I already got pecked 3 times, guys.
They're hungry. They was hungry, that's why. Trying to get a bigger chicken feeder. Well guys, we have done our project for today. And it was an unexpected project. This project was not what was on my radar. I was not going to be doing this today, but I could not resist. I didn't know that was in the mail, but I really appreciate that, Jennifer. We really appreciate that. And if you guys want to help contribute to our
Raffle?
We do have a raffle going on so that we can give back to you guys in a bigger way after the raffle. But the raffle is going on right now. It's $10 a ticket to get in the raffle, and there's a couple of $100 prizes in that raffle. So if you want to get a chance to get in, get in. I will drop it in the post on the community so you can get in, and it's also in the description how you can get in. But if you want to hit us up on the Amazon wish list, the link is in the description as well. And like we say in every video, Lala, love, peace,
and happiness.
You got to slow it down. I got graphics now, so you got to say it like this. Love, peace, and happiness. All right, that's how you got to say it now. All right, let's do it again. You ready? Love, peace, and happiness. See you guys tomorrow, man. Y'all slow. Y'all waiting to get in? There's a whole door right there. All huddled up in a corner. Come on. They're like, I don't know nothing about this door you got over here. They know where to go. They're just used to going to the big door. Go. Go. So they in fact did not go in. But I'm gonna go ahead and close the door, small door down for the night. Now I got it set to 21, so it should go open at 7 o'clock in the morning.